Let me tell you a story. Just one decision can change your life. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. I hope everyone is very well. Alhamdulillah, I'm also okay. By the way, I'm Sadbin Aman. I come from Mohishkali, Coxbazar. One day, one decision can change everything. You know, life is like a river. Every day we make hundreds of decisions, like what to eat, where to go, whom to call, etc., etc., etc. But sometimes there comes one decision that changes the entire direction of life. Let me tell you a story. There was a young man, poor, no job, frustrated and depressed about his future. Luckily, one day he got an opportunity to study abroad. He was afraid. He thought, what if I fail? But he made an brave decision. I will try. So, today he is successful, living his dream life, and it all thing is a stand for just one decision. So, decide today to trust yourself. Decide today to break limit. Decide today to dream big, because one decision can change your life. Remember that big change in life doesn't come from big events. Sometimes it comes from just simple moment. So be careful every time, because one decision can make the impossible possible. One decision can turn failures to success. One decision can turn dream to reality. One decision can open the door of your new life. So be careful, man. When you stand the crossroad of your life, in this time, your future is depend on you just one decision. So don't be late. Take a brave decision. Just think about that. If you decide today, I will believe in myself, I will overcome my fear, I will follow my dream, I will follow my dedication, I will follow my determination, then today will be the first phase of new chapter in your life. Oh my God, how can I express my heart language? This is very serious issue, man. Trust me. Tony Robbins said that your future is made in this moment. When you decide, just focus your ultimate goal. Take a brave decision. So, what's your decision today?